Okay, we started it over so we can get everything, okay? So today, we're doing a math activity called the counting cup.
I love math.
You love math?
I really love math.
Okay.
So
today,
I really love reading and math.
that's good. You guys are going to be some awesome readers. You're going to be very, very smart.
I don't know.
I like that. So let's talk about what our primary learning outcomes are today. Today we should be able to accurately identify and distinguish between two sets of objects. That means when you see a bunch of objects, you should be able to recognize sets, like sets of 5 or sets of 4 or sets of 3. You should be able to tell which has more, or which has less. Okay. You should also be able to correctly count the objects in the set. So, for example, if you have these two objects here, you should be able to count 1, 2, right? Okay. And we should also be able to compare the sets, like I said earlier, to determine whether or not one is more or less or greater than, less than, or the same. Okay?
Okay.
So y'all ready to get started?
Yeah. You made a smell face.
I did. How? Oh, with the yeah. So first off, I'm going to show you a picture, and we're going to discuss what you see. Okay?
Okay.
So I know it's kind of small, but can you see that picture?
Yes.
Of those that red and blue?
Yes.
How
I
many
see some little.
how many do you think there are? Don't just think about it. Just go. How many you think? Don't count them. What do you think? What do you think?
The blue one got 10, and the red one got 10. The blue
So
one.
okay, so the blue set had, you say the blue set had 10, and the red set, did it have more or less than 10? Did it have more than 10 or did it have less than 10?
Less than 10.
Okay, well I'm gonna count and see how many if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guess what? The blue set did have 10. And then let me count the red one. I guess I can show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, the blue set did have what?
10.
Now let's count this red set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Did they have 10?
No! 7.
So are they the same?
No.
No. So which set had the most?
10.
What color?
Blue.
They had how many?
10.
10. How many did the red have?
7.
7. They have 7. So 10 is more than, say 10 is more than 7.
10 is more than 7. I was going to say 20.
And so you saw how we compared, we compared the two sets. That means we looked at one set and said, is it the same, more than, or less than the other set? So that's what we call comparing. We had to compare and see how many were in each set. All right. So now we are going to look at.
Smiley face. I'm happy.
You see a smiley face?
Yes. It's supposed to have eyes. It's 2 little baby eyes. They're supposed to be in the middle to have baby eyes though.
Oh, that's okay. It's not.
Yeah. Look, we made a smiley face. This is the smiley face. Wait, you forgot that part. I want to make it I want to make a sad face like that. No, that's not a sad face. I want a face. Smile.
I lost my video.
Smile. Look at the smiley face. Look, power. Miss Price, look at the smiley face.
I like it's a happy.
I made a nose. Why
Okay.
does the nose look like that, dog?
Okay, you ready?
Yes!
So we're gonna watch this video sure that we are focused in
Yes.
on.
What is that? It's a nose.
Okay, so
And
are we sitting in our chair?
That's the bed.
Okay.
I want that one. Looks like a popcorn. Me too. I want that. It looks like a special.
Okay, let me know when you're ready to listen.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Don't gotta keep saying you're ready.
Yeah, say it one time. Have a seat. Tom's not ready.
See? It's about this. Yeah, I don't like it. Let's. Best. More.
Okay, how many frogs do you think you said?
Five.
Okay.
7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no six in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, so guess what the question is going to be? How many? What? Anybody know what they're gonna ask?
How many frogs?
Okay, let's see.
How many? 6. The frogs are left.
You can't hear the question if you're talking. So let's listen for the question. He just asked the question. Which group has more or less?
Turtle. The red.
Which one has more?
Red. The turtle.
What number is that?
6.
6. Which one has less?
5. The blue
The
one.
blue one or the frogs, the number?
The frog.
Number
The frog. 5.
5.
I like it though.
6 is more than 5. How do you know 6 is more than 5?
Because you're smart. Because you count.
You are smart, but you can count and see that you have more. That means 6 is how much more than 5?
And you can think. Hey. One more.
Yes, girl. Yes. 6 is 1 more than 5. So that's how you know, because she counted and she passed 5 already. She went to 6 and she had 1 over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have to keep going to the next number, that means that number that you have to keep going to, that's more because you passed your original number. The original number here was 5, and we already passed 5 when we're going to 6. We had to go 1 more to get to 6. All right.
They are more. Oh. I know this. No, it's not frogs.
It was less.
Chickens. When the fawn. It's gonna be 3. That's 6. It's gonna be 3. It's gonna be 3. I already know what. It's 4.
Are you counting?
4. 3. 4. I did know it. That's 3. 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Which one has more? 3. 4.
Which one has more?
The chickens.
The chickens.
The
Which one has less?
The pigs. The pigs. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Can I go after her? Can I go after the agent? I need to go use it. Up here. Can I go after the agent?
cannot get distracted. We cannot get distracted or we will not be able to complete our activity. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
I understand that somebody has to go to the restroom, but you cannot go with her. She's gone. When she comes back, then you go. Okay? That's a whale, and then those are what?
Penguins.
Let's count the whales right now.
How many?
2.
Very good.
Let's count the penguins right now.
1,
Two,
2,
three,
3, 4,
5,
6, 7.
You're right, right?
7.
Here are 2 whales. Here are 7 penguins.
Which has more?
The penguin.
Penguins.
The whales got less.
The whales have less. Because if you start with the whales, it was only what? 2 whales. But we have to go all the way up to 7. So we've already passed 2 when we go up to 7. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, see?
You just put 6 in there with
Has more or less.
Yes, 6 and 1. That's right.
There are more
Penguins.
Less.
Whales. Very good.
Let's learn who has more.
More.
Let's
More.
learn
Who has less?
count how many are in each group and do
Very best.
you'll learn which group has more and which group has
Less.
Very good. You trying to draw?
Yes.
Yes. So now we know about more and less.
My teacher taught me that. Too. But my teacher. Greater than and less than. Also, I'm gonna sleep good night. Oh, don't mess up the smiley face. You messed it up. No, I didn't. That was nice. Stop. Put them
Okay,
back.
everybody should be sitting.
Put them back. What nose that they have here and eyes? No lips. What kind of nose is that? What kind of nose is that? Need a nose. It's okay.
Okay. So now we have done our more and less. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Because where should our hands be?
In our lap.
So you don't get distracted. Now I put these in front of you because we're gonna do the activity with our cups. And our cups have numbers on them. And what you're going to do is you're going to, whatever number you see on the cup, you're going to put that amount in the cup. Do you think you can do that?
Yes.
So, but how are we going to keep track of our numbers and the cups that, I'm going to wait for you. How are we going to keep track of what we've already done? So what we're going to do is,
If you wash your hands, it was
I'm going to wait, I'm going to wait. Now we're going to record. Eyes on me. We're going to record. Record means to write. We're going to write down what we did. Okay. So for example, if Miss Price had this cup right here, that's the number 7. And so what we're going to do is we're going to write our number 7 on our paper. Turn around. We'll write our number 7 right here. And then we're going to write our tally marks. Remember we talked about tally marks? Each tally mark means it is a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when we get ready to write 5, we do a what? Slanted line, right? Slanted line. And then we have to keep going because we got this section here, this only little fence, I call it a fence, looks like a fence. It represents the number 5. So every time you see something like this, that means the number 5. So 5 and then 6, 7. Okay? So I'm with everybody. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, what should you be doing with your pencil?
Drawing the
Getting
number.
ready to write. Getting ready to write. Write your name at the top.
Tell me what I hold it.
If you can fit it, write it at the top.
I don't want to write my last name. Me either. Okay. Draw the number 7.
Oh no, first I'm gonna just give you. Let's see.
My color. I'm not done. Mine's 5. 5, 6.
Okay, once you have that number,
5, 6.
once you have that,
5 is
so
7.
you can either start with putting your chips in, or you can write first. I think you should write first, and then that way you don't forget. So whatever number you have here,
7.
go ahead and write 7.
3, 1, 4, 2, 5.
Where's your number? Write the number right there. The number 7.
10, 5. Now to write some towel.
Did you?
1, 2.
4. And what should you do after 4? You gotta make your slanted line.
2, 3. That's
4.
2,
So once you do 4, then you do your slanted line. That's 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So that's it.
So what do you do?
4, 7, 5.
You don't have 5. So you erase that.
Done.
Erase it.
4, 5.
Okay. So now you
So I need 1
do your
more.
fill your cup.
And then 1, 2, 3,
Not so loud.
4,
1, 2, 3.
5.
Now you're ready for it. Take them out.
7. Me too.
Let me see.
Then take them out and get another cup.
Oh, wow. You need to write the number.
We're gonna take it out.
No, don't erase it. Just write this number right here
We're
next
gonna
to
take it out.
cup. Yeah, you put it right here.
I did it. I write the number.
Okay, good
I
job.
write the number 5. Go to the bathroom. That's all I have. We're on the next level anyway. Wait, what?
Now, next time, don't pour it out until I can check it, okay? Deasia, okay? You didn't write, see, what number did you have?
She has.
You should have written 6 right here. Write the number 6.
7, 8, 9.
Okay, now count your tally marks.
It was me. I got 8. 4, 5, 6.
You actually got 7, because you put one across like this. So erase it for me. And you'll have to start over. What you got? Come your mom
We're
right.
on the next level.
Wait. Now you should have written it down there. That way it doesn't go with the number 3. But I tell you what, put your 8 right here. Up under it. Your hands are wet.
I'm ready for another card. I'm ready for another card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mine's 3. I just need 1, 4.
You do 5, do 4, and then you write your slant line to represent 5. Erase. Make sure you put them, don't put them too close. So you write 4, and then when you write this one, that's gonna be 5.
3,
So you do this, and you
4.
move the space
I
over.
did 4. I did
do correct. What do you have?
Wait, do I gotta
Is
write?
4 in there?
Do I got to write my number?
That's right. You got to write it?
1,
Go ahead and write it.
2, 3, 4. I'm
Write
ready
your
to
number.
call.
Wait. Oh, you wrote next to it. I tell you what, write number 4 up here.
I tried to write it.
Very
1,
good.
2,
Now,
3, 4.
I like it. That means you're trying. I like that.
Put 3 in there. Now I got to write 3 tally marks. I did it.
You didn't know?
I put
You didn't write the
6
number
in
4.
there.
I say write the number. Write the number 4. What did you write? 7?
I write 3.
Good job, Tony.
Huh?
Write the number.
I need
You wrote down 6.
another card. I'm done nowadays.
Did you do 6? Come out. That's
I
6.
need 7. Now what I gotta do?
I like the way you problem solved. Like I said, you took the way you wanted to get it. Now count again and see if you have it correct.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, so now you have to add it back, right? Now like that. You had 6.
I'm done.
Okay.
And then
Good.
this price 1,
Here,
2,
you put your chips right here. Wait, let's see if you have 5. Count them out for me. Count them out for me.
6 right here. 1,
Yeah, just put them right there.
7, 2, now 3,
Did you have 4? You did have 4. Good job.
5. I got 5.
Don't
I
put-
need
don't
to do
put-
6.
You can put those right
I
there.
need to do 6.
Because you had them in your mouth. And we don't want to share.
1, 2,
We don't
3,
put all of
4,
them there. All of them.
5, 6. Ew. You could do that one.
That's okay.
It's not
We
real
put them to the
chips.
side. Okay.
1. I
And you
think
still only had 1, 2. How many did you have over there?
4, 5, 6.
Did you have enough?
Finish.
Did you have enough?
1. I'm done, guys.
You had 5?
7.
Okay.
Do I have to put like 1?
Now count it. You got 1, 2, 3, right?
7. I did it.
That's 4.
I did it twice. I did it.
Oh,
Me too.
let me see. Count 7.
I did 2. 3. I put 1, 2, 3. I put 3.
Okay, that's it.
I put 3.
Now count your. Okay, 1,
I'm
2,
done with
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Take
them out.
Tony.
Take them out.
Yes, take them out.
Do I have to touch them?
Yes.
1, 2,
Count out.
4, 5, 6. I did 4. I got 4.
Okay. Now count how many you have.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Because I told you this time is a 4, is a number. So you have to erase this because you only have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No,
I got 6. 4. I put here. 2, 3,
4, right? So how many lines you have?
Yes, it is. I got 7. So where's the clothes?
Okay, you may switch with her.
I got 7. I only need 3. That's Mickey Mouse right here. I need another. I only need 3. Can I draw a mark right here? This is how you make a Mickey Mouse.
No, because why?
No. Because I got boom.
So if you put a line here, how many will you make?
Boom, I made it. I made 5. Why is it wet right there?
When she washed her hands. Okay. So now go to your next number. What do you have, Rob?
2. 1, 2,
Oh, you already had 4.
3 now? Okay. 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2,
You already did.
3. Now I need another. 2,
Go to the next one.
2, 3.
Go, Iris. You did it.
5,
Hit the elephant. You did
6.
it. Okay. Count them out for me.
1, 2, 3, and 1, 4, 3.
Very
1. I
good.
need 7 again. 2,
You did 7 out.
3,
7
right 4,
Oh, why don't you erase
5,
this?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2, 7,
Okay.
3, 4, 5,
Hold on.
6.
Because you did, well, do 4 again.
1,
Because you didn't put your tally marks.
2,
Okay, what you have there? What number did you have?
6.
Is that 6?
6.
Look at that.
I did it.
What number is that?
6.
This is 6.
Oh, so this is 8.
Okay, so write the number. You don't have to do that. Write the number.
I already
right
did
here.
7.
I'm gonna show you. No, write the number 8.
7.
What you
1,
said.
2. I did 3.
Count. 1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
right? So really what you should do is 2, 3,
I did it.
4, and then put your
6. I did 6. I did 4. I did 6. I did 4. I did 4. I did 6. I did 4. I did 6. 7.
Very good.
I did
Right,
6.
then 5, you gotta write the number 5.
I did 4. I did 6.
Write the number 4 right there.
Miss
You
Price,
go
I
right
did
here.
6.
Right. No,
I
not
wrote
these being Iris.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. I done it.
You did 7. Okay,
Okay.
hold on one second.
I did it.
You did it.
I did it too. I did it too.
Okay. You all did excellent. You did awesome.
We done?